Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are all fine, doing well. This styling concept is centered on high impact nightlife fashion, where a miniskirt becomes the foundation of a bold club night look, designed specifically for environments that are dynamic, fast paced, and visually expressive. And the main objective is to build an outfit that feels energetic, confident, and intentional under artificial lighting conditions. The miniskirt acts as a core statement piece, creating a strong base silhouette that emphasizes movement and shape, while the rest of the outfit is constructed around it in a way that enhances presence without creating visual confusion. In club fashion, clarity of silhouette is essential because lighting, crowd movement, and atmosphere all demand outfits that are readable, structured, and visually impactful from different distances. The choice of miniskirt is the starting point of the entire styling direction, and it should be selected based on structure, fabrics, and finish because these elements determine how the outfit behave in motion and under club lighting. Material like glossy leather, satin, or structured stretch fabrics are particularly effective because they reflect light and create dimension while also maintaining shape during movement and dancing. A well fitted miniskirt should sit securely at the waist and maintain a clean outline without excessive folding or distortion, ensuring that the silhouette remains sharp throughout the night. The upper styling in this concept is equally important because it must balance the visual weight of miniskirt without overwhelming it, and fitted top because bodysuit or sleek crop design work best because they maintain a close silhouette and keep the overall outfit cohesive. The key principle here is proportion control, where the compact nature of the miniskirt is matched with a similarly controlled upper frame so the outfit feels unified rather than fragmented. Layering can be introduced through a lightweight jacket or statement outerwear, but it must remain intentional and not overly bulky, ensuring that movement and silhouette clarity are preserved in nightlife environments. Footwear plays a defining role in completing this look, and options like heel boot, stiletto, or platform heel are commonly used because they enhance posture, elongate the leg, and contribute to the overall bold aesthetic of club fashion. From a fashion styling perspective, this outfit demonstrates how nightlife wear is built around controlled boldness rather than excess, where the miniskirt establishes a strong foundation and every additional element is designed to support clarity, movement, and visual impact under changing light conditions. Overall, this styling approach highlights a key principle evening fashion. Bold look are not created by adding more element but by refining proportion, controlling structure, and selecting material that respond effectively. Thanks a lot for watching the video till the